What's up, guys? Welcome back to 90 Pine Life. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video of this 20-piece DeWALT deep socket set with a 1/4-inch drive. Currently selling on Amazon for $18.69. Like all other DeWALT products, it offers a full lifetime warranty with hassle-free replacement. This particular set comes with both SAE, better known as standard, and metric deep sockets. Sockets are 2.5 inches deep. The standard size sockets included are 3/16, 1/4, 5/32, 9/32, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch. The metric deep sockets included are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Features a locking stackable case with a removable inner tray, which we'll get to once I open it. The sockets utilize a direct torque technology, which helps prevent rounding off your fasteners, and it also provides a better grip. They are a polished chrome vanadium finish with hand stamped markings, as you can see there. Each socket also has a knurled control ring inside. The case itself weighs 3 pounds, it measures 8 by 3 by 15 inches in length. It currently ranks number 31 on Amazon in their socket and socket wrench set selling category. It has a 4.8 out of 5-star rating based on 636 customer ratings at the time of this video, and the actual item model number is DWM-T73811. So with all the specs aside, let's take a look at it. First thing I'm hit with is it looks like a really quality case. It's light. It has this convenient handle here if you want to hang it in your garage along with your other tools on your pegboard hooks. Turn over here, it's got actual nice rubberized carrying handle. It has 2 locking latches on the case. Actually, maybe 3. I wonder if there's a 4th one. We see 3 so far. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it shows here. Lets you read. Durable CRVC steel, it says. Flip it over. There shows you the contents. So, let's go ahead and unbox this. That aside. So it appears it has 4 actual, it's got 2 clasps here and then 1 on each end. So you can see your metric sockets run along the top. I'll go ahead and grab just a 11 millimeter. Here's your DeWALT stamp size. The case itself actually has the size as stamped as well. You come down here, same thing. Sizes are stamped for your standard sockets. It said that the tray is removable. So let's see how that works. Okay. Got moved over. 4, 5, 6. So inside here is your empty case. Just regular plastic, nothing super substantial. I'd say it's probably just the right size, I guess, for a tool set of this cost and the actual weight of the sockets themselves. So closes up nice. I like the color of it. It's yellow. This latch is closed. I've yet to decide if I'm going to just lay this on my tool counter or if I don't really have a lot of room right now in my garage to hang this up. We'll have to see. But there you go. DeWALT, it's a good name. Like I said, you can't beat the price. Generally, you pay that kind of money for an off-brand socket set. So to get a DeWALT socket set for less than $20, can't complain. If it should break, they have that lifetime warranty, hassle-free replacement. So that's always a plus. So there you go, guys. If you like this video, please consider dropping a like on it. I hope it was useful to you if you were considering purchasing this item. And for more videos like this, please subscribe, turn on your notification bells so you never miss any more of our future content. We do all kinds of videos, unboxing, drone videos, family videos, you name it. We offer a great variety here, and we consider all our viewers an extended part of our family, the Knotty Pine Life family. We always appreciate your support. Thanks again. Take care, stay safe, and until next time, we'll see you later.